What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Ford Era. As you can see, we are in Atlanta. We're still at P15, and we got that awesome turquoise slick right there that I pulled out of a barn yesterday. So this is the part 2 video, and right now they are taking off the headache because it don't look nice, and we're gonna throw in a fresh battery. Gonna clean the whole thing up, degrease it, get the whole bottom of the truck nice and clean. So just wanted to give you guys an intro, and we'll see you in a second. I'm gonna time lapse this puppy, and that's it. So headache rack found a nice home, patina matches. All right, got the power washer all hooked up, and gonna wet it down, get some of the dust off, hit it with the foam cannon, and then pressure washer some more. All right, so the truck dried off and it looks super good, but it's like chalky, as you guys could see. So Kyle from Delfab, he is really good at buffing these trucks. So I called him, and he gave me the secret sauce. So what he said is, get some Simple Clean, spray the panel down with Simple Clean, and while the Simple Clean's on it, hit it with a magic eraser. So we're gonna quickly go get both of those items, come back, and we're gonna clean the whole truck. And he's like, that'll remove all the cloudy oxidation and just chemically strip the whole thing and make it look like just brand new paint for however the truck itself looks. And after that, he usually buffs it, and he said that he uses 2,000, 2,500, and 3,000 wet, and then hits it with a wool pad and a foam pad. And but we're not gonna do the whole wet sanding and buffing process. We're just gonna do the rest of it. So we're gonna go grab that stuff right now, and when we get back, I will show you guys how we do it. All right, they got the Super Clean. And then what? Just grab one of those anyway?
Yeah, just one for spray.
All right, we got the goods, heading back to the shop. All right, so we just got back from Walmart and Target. Got the Super Clean, and got the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Met over here, put in a brand new battery.
Battery, some terminals, topping it off with a little bit of high mileage Napa oil. Napa needs to give us sponsorship for the money we're spending out there with them.
Heck yeah. Dang, dude, what we got over here?
Oh, got my biggest fan. That's my only fan right there.
Hell yeah.
Milwaukee. She makes work easy.
So while he finishes that up, I want to tell you guys about today's video sponsor, Bear Brakes. If you guys don't know who Bear Brakes is, you need to go check them out. These guys have been in the business of making high performance brakes, and really cool stuff too. Like, it's not only performs well, helps your vehicle stop better, it's safer, but it looks badass. They're CNC billet. They're made right here in America. They're made in Phoenix, Arizona, and I've got them on 2 of my projects now. I've got, I think it's 1 or 2 more sets on order, and they helped me out with the last video, and they're helping us out with this video as well, and it's just really cool. Companies like to step up. I've been friends with these guys for a long time, and you know, they appreciate the videos, and they're like, hey, what can we do to help? We want to advertise with you, or you know, just show our support. So go check out bearbrakes.com, check out their Instagram, give them a follow, And if you have a project, you need some brakes, check them out. We are going to be cleaning this right when he finishes that. I'm gonna show you the first step of getting it all clean and not chalky. See you in a second. So Matt finished up the stuff he was doing under the hood, and I brought this stuff out. So we got the Magic Clean Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and we got Super Clean. And we did a little test right over here, and it cleaned it up nicely. So I'm gonna start right over here with the hood. I just wanted to show you guys the truck and how like cakey everything is as of before. So now I'm going to start on this. Gonna hand one of the guys the camera so you could see what we're doing. I'm gonna do this door and just time lapse it for you guys. Alright, so I'm gonna let that dry a little bit more so you guys can really see the comparison. But it looks so clear compared to that, which is cloudy. Once it dries, you should get a better idea of it. So, see when it dries. Alright, so now I'm gonna do the quarter panel. We got the truck all pulled in and she's nice and clean. And wow, did that trick really do the job. Kyle, thank you for telling me about that. I had no idea. So now the truck is just clean, and you can see we didn't take the emblem off. So like right there, you can see the chalkiness of how it used to look. And I left this door not cleaned. So right over here, this whole door and this little pillar, we didn't touch. So you could see it's all chalky. And then over here, it's nice and clean. And then same thing with the bed. So that was really cool. Didn't take any crazy amount of time or effort or anything. It's just, you know, you gotta rub the whole thing down, wash it, and turned out really nice. The wheels cleaned up really well. We're gonna go get some tires. We think we found some locally. So hopefully we could go get those, get these mounted up, put new tires, and then the truck will look OG again, and should be fun. So I'll let you guys know when we head out to go get some tires. We are over here at Butler Tire, the truck center, and we found ourselves 5 Toyos for these wheels. So we got 215 75 17.5 which is exactly what we need for the original wheels on this truck. So just headed over here in the F250 Crew. Gonna load up these tires, head back to the shop. Alright, so we just got back from Butler. We picked up the new tires, but because they were closing early today, they weren't able to mount them. So we're just gonna pick up these and then go to another store. So yeah, we're gonna get them mounted up right now and take you along. All right, so got the wheels in, and that's it. So we got 5 tires because we got 5 wheels. We have the original spare, so it'll be pretty cool. And these are the Toyo M14 3 or M143, and the size is 215 75 17.5, which is equivalent to these old school tires that are 8-17.5 LT. So we are gonna go get them mounted up and let you guys know when we get there. All the wheels and tires are mounted. We are heading back over to the shop. I'm gonna throw them on right now. So excited to see how they look. We'll see you there. Alright, so just put on the new wheels and tires, give you guys a little walk around, but can't show you too much because we're about to film a sort of what the truck. Not gonna be a full one because obviously it's an original truck and we can't talk too much about it since there ain't too much on it. But everything is looking good. So as always, if you guys enjoy the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comments, please drop them down below. Let everybody know how awesome you think this truck is. And as always, you can head over to fordera.com, get yourself some merch. I got these hats, I got shirts, stickers, keychains, hoodies, all types of stuff. It helps me in all my endeavors to keep moving forward in the truck world. And catch you later.